Hey guys, I just want to let you know what you're about to see is not as clean as the stuff I usually do. Usually we do a live take or just kind of on the spot filming of a routine and I cut it from there. And we decided that since you will be seeing a lot of the routine, we would do a separate video of it. Now, unfortunately, it's nowhere near as clean as I would want it to be because the first day, by the time we got to the live take portion, I was out of energy and in desperate need of food. And then the second day, it was extremely windy. And none of these are really good excuses as if it were a real performance. If you mess up, you just keep going. But again, I'm going to show you what we had. And I apologize for any messiness in there. If or when this becomes a real routine, it will be cleaned up and it'll be awesome. But thank you again, and please enjoy the live take of Sound of Science. No!
I'm starting.
I ain't working out never. I ain't getting no stronger. I'm trading force for displacement, multiply and conquer. Break out that lever, I'ma make it longer. Get that mechanic advantage and I won't get tired. You know I always hoped I might live, but I can't budge these weights alone. Oh, I need an incomplex contraption, yeah, to boost the bars and lift the load. You ain't gotta feel the work, but you gotta put in work, equal power, equal work, never tell them they work, put in work, trying to figure out the tension, look at Newton's laws of motion, counteracting 1.2, so you gotta take a potion. Spread the workout out. You can lift a little body. With the displacement replacing the force, you don't need to be barley. I know you bros out there, you might live without a long ground ever. Reduce the forces on the soul. But you gotta put in work, force and distance make it work, and the bullies, yeah, they work, put in work too long, put in work too long, yeah, bro, can you live for me? Zero, there's an X, hold there for me. Ain't no work now, figure that for me. When he's still putting out energy, acting binding repeatedly. He running through that ATP, muscle tendons constantly. But the protein's throwing off heat. Whoa, so we think, push and pull, take some power as a rule. Well, surprise, that ain't true. Just a force, don't need jack. But of course, you think that spending all your time in your body. Yeah, you gotta work that long. Yeah, you gotta work that long. Yeah, you gotta put in work. Da-dum-dum-dum.
Something like that.
That's probably going to be
The best one.
the best take that we've done.
Yeah.
I know, now that you've explained to me a lot of your moves, I see when you miss them.